Welcome back. I'm Coach Tina, and today we're talking about fitness lingo, sets, reps, and circuits. Let's start with sets and reps. If you see something like this, bicep curl 3x8, this oftentimes means 3 sets, 8 reps. And let's talk about what that means. A rep is the short version of the word repetition. It's just a lazy abbreviation. Reps means repetition. So 8 reps means 8 bicep curls in a row. These are reps. And if you see the word sets, such as in here, 3x8, 3 sets of 8, that means I do 8 curls, and then I can rest, and then I come back and do a second set of the 8 reps, rest, and then come back and do a third set of the 8 reps. So the set means one body of one clump of those repetitions. Sometimes you might see this say 8x3. Right now it says 3x8. So it's important that the coach clarifies, does she mean 3 sets of 8 or 3 reps and 8 sets? So when you see that, it's important. There's some people do it this way, sets and reps, and some coaches write it the other way, reps and sets. So that's what a rep and a set is, but you need to have the coach clarify. So when you see the word circuit, it's using the sets and reps in a different way. This circuit has 3 parts, A1, A2, and A3. It's squats, push-ups, and lunges. So what that means is I'm doing 10 squats, just going into my 10 squats, and as soon as I finish my 10 squats, A2, the next thing in this circuit is my push-ups. So I'll go straight into my 5 push-ups. And then, as soon as I finish the 5 push-ups, I'm going to go into the 8 lunges. So I'll move this out of the way. I'm going to go straight into the lunges. That is 1 set. So in the circuit, that is 1 set. And the assignment is 3 rounds. So as soon as I finish those, I go all the way back to the top, back to my squats. So I'm going to my second round of squats. As soon as I finish the squats, I'm going into my push-ups. And as soon as I finish my push-ups, I'm going back into my 8 lunges per side. 8 lunges. That is round 2 of the circuit. So a circuit you can think of almost as a giant set, and the rep scheme is inside. So this can get confusing for a lot of beginners, and I hope that's helped you. And if you like this post or it's been helpful, you have any requests for anything else, please do put it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.